Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to add your city and your current city and your hometown in any Android device on your actually main page. So this is the main page of this Android phone. So here on the top you can see touch to add the city. So you can just actually touch here, and here we can see current location which is off, and you can add the city manually. You can start typing the city. You can type your city, Cape Town, Johannesburg, or maybe the current city you are in. So right now I'm just gonna choose current location, and if you go back, as you can see, it's telling me here Glenhead. Basically this is the area where we are in the Port Elizabeth basically. So this is the area name is showing me. So this is the correct location. This phone is very accurate basically. So that's how you change the location and add the hometown and home city in any Android phone. So thank you for watching. If you learned anything from this video, please subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos.